So this is how I install a honey gate in a 5-gallon bucket. First one, you make sure that you have a 90 mil bucket. Don't use the 70 mils, use a thicker bucket. The first thing I do, I put the handle here and lay the bucket down. That handle will align this bucket in the right orientation so that when you put your valve in, it's going to be perpendicular to those handles. So the way I do it is I take the point of one of the nut, and when you slide it in the bucket, you push that point all the way down to the bottom of the bucket. That'll get you to your maximum depth. You want to get that gate as close to the bottom as possible. Then I'll pull it back just slightly away from the bottom, maybe 1/8 inch or so. And then what you do is you take your little pointed angle iron and you heat this up slightly. Doesn't take much. All you want to do is just burn enough. So you're going to put this right in the middle of that nut, and you're just going to push on it a little bit. That's all you need to do. And now you have a little dot here. So that's your entry point for your drill. And then all you have to do, I pre-drill this hole on low, so I'm on the low speed, and I'm going to point it right on that little dot. If I can get it. And I drill my pilot hole. So you have to get the appropriate size hole saw bit, and I take out the drill because sometimes it wants to walk on you. I put in a solid shaft. That way I have really good alignment. So I already pre-drilled, so this shaft goes in, and it's not gonna want to wobble. Now these are 90 mil, so it takes a little while to get through these. So once I'm through, now I want to go in with a very sharp utility knife, and I just want to trim out this flashing. As the drill goes in, it'll leave just a little bit of flashing. I just want to carve that out, ensure I get a nice seal. And sometimes you'll have a little on the outside too, so it comes off pretty easy with a sharp utility knife. Once you get the flashing removed, then you can install the gate valve. So once I get the valve in place, I made this special wrench because I couldn't find anything online to be able to tighten the nut. You don't want to spin the gate, because if you do, the gasket will pop out of its location. You want to hold the gate steady, and then you want to tighten the nut from the inside of the bucket, and that way it will pull the gate in and mush the gasket without causing the gasket to come out. If the gasket's just a silicone gasket, so if you spin this, it's gonna get all distorted. So once you have this tight, then you can see you have the nut as low as you're going to be able to get it in the bucket without touching the bottom of the bucket. And it just helps get you in the right location. So anyway, I thought that might help you.